Codenja. So previously we solved this first unique character in a string using a brute force approach. So now we are using optimized approach to solve this. And here we use in this brute force approach we use two for loops which gave us off and square time complexity. To reduce this time complexity we use optimized code. So I am resetting the code. So when it comes to mind, while working with the unique characters, we use hash maps mostly. So I will take an hash map. So the first one is a character, and the next one is integer. I will take it name as map and new hash map. So first we need to count the frequency of every each character in the string. So for that I will take an for each loop. C and convert this string to char array, and later I will put that every frequency into the map. So C map dot get or default function is mainly used for counting the frequency of every character. If it is not there in the hash map, it gives the 0, otherwise it adds 1 to that. And later we need to find out the if the count is 1, so that's the first unique character. So for that I will take another loop which is length. So here I wrote the condition for if map dot get s dot caret of I, which is equals to 1, then we need to return I. If it is not there, we need to return -1. Let's run this code. So all the test cases are passed. This is the code for the optimized approach for first unique characters. So if you have any questions, so feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.